Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So through this video, I'm going to show you how you can silence or remove audio from the video clip. So in here, I've already have a video added to my CapCut PC timeline. Then first, I'm going to show you how to silence. To silence the video, you can just click on the video in here and find the volume options. Here you can go to the audio tab at the top right panel in here, and here on the volume you can just swipe it to the left and make it 0 so that the voice will be silenced. And the second options to remove the audio, you can just extract the audio first. So let's right click on the video here on the timeline and choose the extract audio options. After that, the audio will be at the bottom, and you can just click on the audio, and now right click on the audio and click on delete. So just like that, the audio will be gone. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.